Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. Assalamu alaikum and namaste. I hope you all are doing super और आपकी दुआ से I am doing super fantastic and I'm back from Mumbai, back to Bangalore, and today's recipe is a very quick garlic chicken, and also on this video I will share with you all that I did in Mumbai. You'll get the glimpse of that in between the cooking video. So stay tuned and watch the complete video, and if you like anything then don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. And I'm giving you a glimpse into my kitchen during Diwali, which I forgot to show in my earlier video, so I'm showing it right now. Hope you all had wonderful Diwali with your family, friends and neighbors. So stay tuned on this video where I'm showing you a very fantastic recipe and some gapshap, okay, with my little sister, and I'm going to take you around Bandstand, Juhu Beach. So stay on. While the garlic is frying, your friends, take a glimpse at the video where I had a lot of fun on Bengaluru airport while traveling to Mumbai. It was just fantastic.
On-time departure, kindly store your hand baggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you and take your allocated seats immediately. This will allow other customers to pass by you and we can be underway quickly for an on-time departure. Thank you.
Look at this recipe. If you haven't still made this recipe, I will leave a link in the description box and on the screen. Do check it out. I have added in this 2 tablespoons crushed garlic, ginger and 3 chilies. Okay, and to this I'm going to add chicken. Two tomatoes. Mine is frozen. I'm covering this with a lid and I'll see you in say 10 to 12 minutes. While this is cooking, let's take a glimpse of the Italian restaurant where we ate in Bombay.
Mia Cuccini. Mia Cuccini.
तो बाहर के कंट्रीज में तो फिर वेज ही खाना है, हमें चाइनीज
Probably. Because they have pork mostly everywhere. Thank you.
That's a yummy watermelon salad, some bruschetta and gnocchi, pesto gnocchi and some dessert. Could not show much here, but definitely next time I'll share more with you all. Let's get back to the recipe. Let's check, friends. It's almost 8 minutes and the chicken has left its water. जब ये टोमेटो एकदम सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा, विल ब्लेंड दिस इन द ब्लेंडर। चलो, बहुत ही मजेदार रेसिपी है, सुपर इजी, बहुत ही गिने चुने मसाले जाते हैं एंड द टेस्ट इज अमेजिंग। ढकते हैं। लेट्स कुक दिस फॉर another 10 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes. See, the tomatoes have gone very soft. I'm removing the tomato and I'm adding it in the blender. This tomato also I'm adding in the blender. Okay, and I'm going to blend this into a paste. Now I'm going to saute this very well till it becomes semi-dry. So I'll see you in another 10 minutes. While the chicken is sauteing there, take a glimpse at my son's study. And it is one of those early mornings in my mother's house where I just love to hang on the window, looking at the beautiful greenery and the chirping of birds and all those beautiful sounds that you get to hear in the morning. All you want to do is thank the Almighty for this beautiful morning that you are able to smell, hear and feel. Let's get back to the chicken. I've added around 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, it's 5 minutes. I have been sauteing this. Okay, now to this I'm going to add half cup fried onions और बरिस्ता। अगर नहीं है तो आप 4 प्याज को फ्राई कर लें और फिर इसमें ये स्टेज पे ऐड करें। बहुत ही मज़ेदार रेसिपी है एंड आई हैव बीन मेकिंग दिस फॉर एजेस। इसमें मैंने लिया है अराउंड 5 टेबलस्पून ऑयल फॉर हाफ kg चिकन। ठीक है, नमक मैंने ऐड किया है 1 टीस्पून। यू टेक सॉल्ट एज पर योर टेस्ट। कुटी लाल मिर्च, हाफ टी स्पून कश्मीरी रेड चिली पाउडर, 1 टीस्पून कोरिएंडर पाउडर एंड हाफ टी स्पून गरम मसाला। ये है हमारा देसी गार्लिक चिकन। 2-3 मिनट भूनेंगे इसको और इसमें हम डालेंगे टमेटो पेस्ट। Early morning we left for Juhu Beach and Joggers Park. See, all those buildings are facing the east side. Huh? Every morning लोगों का जबरदस्त सनराइज दिखता है। सो लकी। देखिए बहुत अच्छी तरह से ये भून रहा है and the fried onions has made this little thick. बहुत ही मजेदार गार्लिक चिकन दिस इज। हाई फ्लेम पे इसको भून लेना है। चलो जब तक ये भूनता है, लेट्स गो टू द बीच। Hey friends at Mumbai Beach.
तेरा भी फोन अच्छा है, कैमरा अच्छा है।
Friends, the sound of water is so soothing. I really had a great time with my sister on the beach. Now coming back to the chicken. बहुत ही मज़ेदार गार्लिक चिकन है. Do make this recipe simple, easy, कोई ताक झाम नहीं और एक मज़ेदार रेसिपी तैयार हो जाती है. टमेटोज को भी आपको इसमें ज़्यादा भुनना नहीं है बिकॉज टमेटो ऑलरेडी इतने हीट में गल गया था. इफ़ यू लाइक इट लाइक दिस तो बस फिर ये डन ही है. थोड़ी चिली ऑप्शनल है, डालना है डालें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगती है, इफ़ यू हैव लाइक दिस रेसिपी, then don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe my channel. Your support is very much needed for my channel to grow. आपके सपोर्ट के बिना ये चैनल नहीं ग्रो होगा. So please give your support. और रेसिपी बहुत अच्छी लगी है तो आपके फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, कोलीग्स, नेबर्स सबके साथ शेयर करें. And stay on the video till the end. Watch the complete recipe. तो ये इतनी आसान रेसिपी है कि बैचलर्स बोलो और जो अकेले रहते हैं, ओके, वो ये रेसिपी बना सकते हैं. No fail recipe this is. Don't go away as yet. There is more to come. There is our visit to Hill Road, Bandra West, the oldest cafe there, and of course our Gapshap and the chai and the omelette pav that we had there. Stay tuned. I'm adding little more salt. So I've taken 1.5 teaspoon salt. So this recipe is done. बहुत मजेदार लग रही है. I'm switching off the gas. This coriander. Have it with rice, roti, naan, paratha. You know, अगर आप बैचलर है तो रेडीमेड पराठास भी मिलता है मार्केट में. इतनी आसान रेसिपी है तो जरूर इसे बनाएं. All right, and don't forget to leave your comments. Do follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you make this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to tag me on the Instagram. So take very good care of yourself. Be happy, keep smiling. And good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Before I dish this out, let's complete the Mumbai video and a glimpse into a very old Irani cafe. बहुत सारी यादें हैं. Thanks to Parvina Pa, किताब बुलबुल विरासत. That's the aeroplane park in Santa Cruz West. बेटा वीडियो है. Due to shortage of time, we could not get down and explore. Maybe next time. There is so much to share. Definitely next time. That's promenade. How do you pronounce? A nice bakery. बॉस वी आर कमिंग हियर फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड. बदलाव तो कुछ नहीं है. लुक एट दैट थिंग. वो क्या बर्तन है अंदर?
वो चाय का है.
चाय का बर्तन है. थोड़ा जाऊँ मैं आगे. That's a delightful menu.
You like it?
Loved it.
Oh my god. This is how you apply butter in bread. Holy mother of God. Attack.
Friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe, which came with a little gapshap with my little sister, my son, and of course the tour we gave you of Juhu Beach, Bandstand, and the little Irani cafe on Hill Road. For many more such videos, don't forget to subscribe so that you receive new notifications. Take care. Bye.